Jennifer Garner stepped out on the red carpet of her new film The Adam Project in a stunning sleeveless long black gown with a thigh-high slit and matching heels and confidently posed for photographers. Jennifer Garner, 49, was one of the best-dressed stars at the premiere of her new movie The Adam Project in New York City on February 28. The beautiful actress wore a long black sleeveless gown that was lined in white at the top and had a thigh-high slit that helped to show off her fit figure during the event. She paired the dress with matching black heels and added dangling earrings and a Vacheron Constantine's Metier d'Arcala Haute Couture secret watch. Jennifer also showed off a natural makeup look that accentuated the features of her fresh face. When she wasn't taking solo pics in the epic outfit, she was hanging out with the rest of the cast members of the film, including Ryan Reynolds, Mark Ruffalo, and more. The group sat and posed for selfies on phones as they appeared to thoroughly enjoy spending time together on the special night. Related gallery. Jennifer Garner's hottest looks since shocking Ben Affleck split, see pics. In The Adam Project, which hits theaters on March 11, Jennifer plays Ellie Reed, the mother of Ryan's character in the movie's namesake, Adam. The flick is a science fiction film about an older man going back in time to team up with his younger self and confront his dad's death. Before the premiere, Jennifer took to Instagram to share a photo of a smiling Mark, whom she previously worked with in the 2004 film 13 Going on 30, during a press day, and gushed over him in The Adam Project. Fellow at Mark Ruffalo stands rise, camera, heart, some BTS from our press day for #The Adam Project. Can't wait for everyone to see this film in 11 days, she exclaimed on February 28. When Jennifer's not working hard promoting her films and other projects, she's looking forward to turning 50 in April. The glowing West Virginian gal just started a countdown of 50-somethings in 50 days that ends on her special day, and so far, she's shared a pic of blossoms on her nectarine trees and a video of herself buying coffee at Starbucks for multiple people behind her, as well as graciously tipping the employees.